insiders, today we lost 2 accounts and lost $207 in drawdown on the third. We did not read the market well today. I honestly thought today the market would drop down to the 200 SMA, maybe even these other wick points, other highs down here at 23,102. To start, the ES started below the VWAP, below the 100 MA, below the 200 SMA. Figured we would fill the ES gap to start and then come tap them, struggle, then eventually break over it. But it just started out of the gate, started above the VWAP, got above the 200 SMA, and just grinded up and away. So to start, we waited until market open. The first minute, it wicked up to the 23,276 level. We began a short, started averaging in, and then full ported the account. We ran with 6 contracts here, and then decided to wait till it wicked the pre-market high and the other pivot point above that pre-market high. We full ported there. It wicked up, and we ended up blowing the account. The next account, we didn't go straight into it. We waited until the ES flushed the pre-market high, just like the NQ did. NQ wicked up. We started averaging in a short as well over here, and then we got a little in the green here, like $200, waiting for the significant pullback. Also, the NQ 30-minute VWAP got reclaimed as support over here. It just propped up, bounced up. No resistance, no, just straight up action today. Straight up 200 points. Really no significant pullback, just consolidation, grind up. This sometimes happens when there is very little news on the docket on a Monday, but high docket news on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This sometimes happens. There's a strange market, hard to read, hard trading conditions with very low ATR. To start the day, the ATR went up to 14. That is it. We went in with 10 contracts here. We were up 200. It wicked up. We stayed with 10 contracts and ended up getting that account blown. The third and final account we traded today, we waited till it went up, consolidated, just slow grind up, slow consolidation grind. And we waited until it reached the high of 23,424. All this is very slow, low volatility action. We took our first trade here, placed a 10-point stop. We shorted this wick down through this trend line. We ended up getting stopped out. Then we took a short right here. It went up, tapped the range, broke through the range, tapped the 21 EMA, started to reject. So we shorted here. We did have a stop here. This is a profitable trade. We reclaimed $200 of drawdown. So we were up 400 with 2 contracts, took 200 out, and then put the other break even. That's the last trade we took. So we blew 2 accounts, lost 207 in drawdown. Just didn't want to lose any more accounts. Didn't want to put any more risk on, especially low volatility. And I know this coming week, we'll gain it right back with the volatility. If we play smart, if we go with trend, if we follow the news, if we do and play our cards right, we will be fine. The rest of the day, basically consolidate it, slow grind down, grind up, and just slow consolidation. Very bad trading day. ATR is at 5 at 2 p.m. 5. So market's waiting for tomorrow's news, Wednesday's news, Thursday's news, and just had to know that. I decided to take a risk. I did have a weird feeling before the stream started today on Monday. I knew there was low docket news, but I promised y'all I would show up and decided to put some risk on it. I was expecting a pullback at that pre-market high, expecting a pullback at the NQ 30-minute VWAP 200 SMA. Didn't get it. Low ATR. Decided to not put any more risk on. So tomorrow we will persevere through resistance. No FOMO, no overtrading. There are no missed opportunities, only the next one. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.